Hey, are you facing a lot of stress these days? Well, we are not alone. A lot many people across the world are connecting with me and asking me for the ways how they can deal with the stress. Why? Because people these days are now aware that stress, the way they think, their subconscious mind can deeply impact their health. Yes, it's true, and its science says that your state of mind, your emotions, and your subconscious mind can actually give you psychosomatic diseases and many autoimmune disorders as well. Well, the good news is, my friends, if your mind can give you a disease, it can heal you as well. Hey, I'm Yashica international NLP coach, author of best-selling book and founder Quantum of Happiness. In the last 3 years, I have been able to touch 7,800 lives and able to transform them while they were sitting at home through my online workshops, and they were hugely impacted in areas of their health, relationships and money mastery. Keeping in mind the current situations we all are into, I suggest you all to take the power of your subconscious mind into your own hands, because this power can give you a boost, align you with your fitness goals, can also give you a great healthy fit body, a great mindset and happy living style. If you are the one who have been actually looking forward to achieve the fitness goals, to live in a disease-free body, to enjoy the beauty of life, then I invite you to click the link below and check out on my 21-day mind programming workshop, in which I will be teaching you the practical tools of NLP, law of attraction, meditation, affirmations and goal cards. Every day you will be given a practical technique to impact your subconscious mind for your fitness goals, to manifest your beautiful healthy body. But this is not all. I am also helping you in this program to achieve your relationship goals as well, and your money and success goals as well. So why to wait further? Just click this link and I will see you on the other side. Thank you.